to get up there in support. The fear with wonderful footwork has beaten two, and a wonderful goal. Absolutely brilliant. Individual magic from David Villa, and a wonderful finish has given him a truly world-class World Cup goal. Villa wants it deep, and will get it deep. Villa, it's the second, and David Villa with a second World Cup goal. His shot took a deflection. Even so, Baladeres was always going to be tested from the boot of David Villa. Goalkeeper's hand. Villa from a long way out. David Villa, what a goal! What a goal from David Villa! And David Villa curling it in, cool as you like. Villa, Torres has gone down on the edge of the penalty area. Iniesta, oh, delightful, absolutely delightful. Sweet as candy from Andres Iniesta. Spain unpicking them.
With Iniesta, through here for Villa, beaten away first time in the second. David Villa's done it. If anybody was going to pull the trigger for Spain tonight, it was going to be the boy they call the kid, David Villa.
Just gliding through and putting it wide, and Pedro! Oh, he's hit the post! Villa has to! He's hit the post, but it's finally in! And it's David Villa! Who else? The man who's finally rescued the Spanish reputation. And somehow it sneaks in. Xavi's corner. Oh, it's Puyol! And it's the man from the back who has given Spain the lead. Carlos Puyol flying in. And the German defence can only look at each other.
All alone, if Fernando Torres can find him, it's stabbed away uncomfortably to Fabregas. Surely now, Spain!